Hey guys, Arnold here for Healthy at 60 Plus. In today's news update, I want to talk about, is erectile dysfunction reversible? If you have any questions about this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. Now let's see what we have today. Let me start by saying that anyone can have ED issues at any age. There was a time I used to talk to men who were only over 60. Now, I regularly talk to men in their 40s and 50s. And just as ED issues can happen at any age, the good news is that these issues can be reversed at any age. However, doctors do not have the time to explain how this all works. So what you actually get is attempts at symptom relief only. You know, as soon as you mention ED, all the doctors want to talk about is Viagra or Cialis or whatever. Unfortunately, these meds do nothing to solve the underlying issue of ED, because erectile dysfunction is primarily a blood flow issue. Erections happen when blood flows into the penis. Anything that causes a decrease in blood flow efficiency hurts erections. And blood flow efficiency is hurt when there is damage to the lining of the blood vessels. This is actually the same damage that leads to high blood pressure, high cholesterol, plaque formation, heart attacks, and strokes. But luckily, this damage to the lining of the blood vessels is reversible. And that is exactly why erectile dysfunction is reversible also. And that is why the dangers of high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and high blood sugar are also reversible. Now, there are two major ways to do this. And the two ways are lifestyle changes and supplementation. Lifestyle changes such as improved diet, more exercise, quitting smoking, and losing weight are actually kind of hard to do and even harder to maintain. If you need proof, just look at all the broken New Year's resolutions that there are. And that's why I actually really rely heavily on supplementation. My suggestion is click the link below this video called Natural ED Repair to see what I do to eliminate any sign of erectile dysfunction. If you have any questions about the ED video or this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. If you'd like to be informed of new videos, just subscribe to my channel and click like for this video. I want to thank you for stopping by today and watching this video. Have a great day, and here's to your good health.